Hi guys, welcome to my channel NXT Creators. In this video, we will be talking about certain events in the probability. As we have discussed what is probability and examples of it and impossible equal and unequal events in our last videos. In this video, we will be discussing about certain events. Okay, now let's start with an example. So now let's have an 7, 7 and 7 and 7. So we have 4 sevens in it. So we, according to formula, we have total 4 quantities and we need to find the probability of 7. For that, we need to take the total number of outcomes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have the 4 as it seems. So the answer is 1. It's nothing, 1 is nothing but 100% in the probability. So now we have 100% of probability is for getting 7. That's called a certain event. The probability where we have the 100% of getting it is known as uncertain event. In case of uncertain event, we will be having, if we have 4, we will be giving it as 5, total quantity of 5, cancelling, and it would come in a change. So answer is 4 by 5. It's nothing but 80%. So that's not the thing, right? It's an uncertain event. 100% having a 100% of probability is uncertain event. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.